Hello everyone, I am going to explain some questions from exercise 3.3 from 11th class maths. So we will start from the question number 10th. In question number 10th we have to prove sin n plus 1 x multiplied by sin n plus 2 x plus cos n plus 1 x multiplied by cos n plus 2 x is equal to cos x. So this result we have to bring. So students, when we observe carefully the left hand side, we found that the left hand side is in the form of cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, and it is the formula of cos x minus y. It got cut, student. So what is the formula of this? Cos x minus y. So this n plus 1 x will complete behave as x and this will behave as y. So what is the formula of this left hand side? Cos x minus y, means cos one angle minus the other angle. So when we will open the bracket, we will achieve this step, and here you can see this nx and nx will cancel each other. Now 2x and x, when you will subtract, you will get x. So this question is very simple. Only you have to use the formula of cos x cos y plus sin x sin y is equal to cos x minus y. Now question number 11. In question number 11, we have to prove that cos 3 pi upon 4 minus x minus cos 3 pi upon 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. So students, here we are going to use the formula of cos x minus y. So c minus c. C minus c means, in formula I already explained you the short tricks. C minus c means 2ss minus 2ss. Since minus 2ss is there, s is for sine. Second s is also for sine. In first you have to bring x plus y upon 2, and second you have to bring x minus y upon 2. So we are going to use this formula. So what is the formula? Minus 2 sine x plus y. So x plus y upon 2. X plus y upon 2 means both the angles. What are the angles here? 3 pi upon 4 plus x. This complete will behave as this x, and this complete angle will behave as this y. So x plus y upon 2. That's why x, this complete is x, this complete is y. So x plus y upon 2. So minus 2 as s. So first as plus sign used to come, with second as minus sign used to come. That's why when we'll do here minus, the sign will change. So first here minus and then here plus. Now we'll simplify. So this x and this x will cancel, and here 3 pi upon 4 plus 3 pi upon 4 upon 2. When you will add and divide by 2, you will get only 3 pi upon 4. And now here this 3 pi upon 4 and 3 pi upon 4 will cancel each other. X plus x is 2x, then divided by 2. So 2x divided by 2 is only x. So write here x. Now 3 pi upon 4. Now since in trigonometry table which we had learnt in 10th, 3 pi upon 4 is not present, so we are going to split it. So when we will split it, it's going to be pi minus pi upon 4. Now why we have done this? Because when you will take the LCM and simplify it, so what is going to be the LCM here? 4. Then 4 pi minus x is 3 pi upon 4. So we have to write its value now. So pi means you not have to change the trigonometric ratio, and so here sign is going to be sign only, and it will move to the second quadrant where sign is positive. So sign symbol will also not change. So it's going to be minus 2 sine pi upon 4. And what is pi upon 4, students? It's 1 upon root 2. So it's going to be 1 upon root 2. Now this 2 and root 2 just cancel. We will achieve root 2 sine x. X got removed, I think, here. So that is your right hand side. That is, the right hand side is root 2 minus root 2 sine x, and here we will get minus root 2 sine x. So how we had done this question? We had used the formula cos x minus cos y. So c minus c is minus 2 as s. So minus 2 as means sine, and in first you have to do x plus y upon 2, and in second you have, with second sign you have to do x minus y upon 2. Now here 3 pi upon 4 you have to split as pi minus pi upon 4. Pi minus pi upon 4, so it is moving to the second quadrant where sign is positive, and since it's pi, so trigonometry ratio will not change. So its value is only sin pi upon 4. And sin pi upon 4 is 1 upon root 2. Cancel them, you will get this answer. So students, like this, question number 10 and 11 completed. Again we had used the formulas here. So conclusion is, before doing this exercise, all formulas you should learn very properly, and for the formulas it is well written in your books, as well as I try to explain these formulas in my previous video, where I explained all the formulas, how to learn it, what are the quadrants, where it's going to be positive, negative, when it will change. Sometimes trigonometric ratio used to change, sometimes they not used to change. Everything very nicely I tried to explain. So I request from you that before doing all these questions, once you just understand all the formulas and then come to all these videos, so that it will be very clear to you. Further, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box, and if possible, share as much as possible. Thank you.